The one thing which I'm really scared of is earthquakes. Yeah, man. I live in Delhi and it comes in phase 4 of seismic activity. It's an earthquake prone zone and a lot of the buildings have been built in which there is no soil sampling done, and I am really scared of it. So today I'm going to show you what's in my survival kit bag. I used to carry this bag in my wardrobe and it's been there for the past 2 years. It's got a lot of things which are unorthodox and which are really which I think might be useful to me. And there is a big box of medical box which has got tapes and bandages and a little bit other things. It's outside, and I have got a little helmet as well. See why I have this. I have this because in an earthquake there is no rule, there is no direction, there is nothing we can do. That's the only miserable thing about an earthquake. We can just duck under a table and that's it. You check all the directions. What has to be done in an earthquake? One has to simply duck under a table, under a desk. How strong is that going to be? You are in a big huge building and the only thing which you can do is watch and hope that everything is going to be okay and just duck under a table. I was not feeling good with that. And even though that's the case, there should be some level of protection and there should be some level of things which you should do after the earthquake. You see, nobody talks about it and nobody even thinks about the calamity. No, we just think that an earthquake comes and then we just run down and we just hope it never comes back for the next 10 years. No. So today I'm going to show you my kit, what all I have, and maybe you can take a lesson out of it and maybe you can develop something more of it. I'm going to show you that, man. So this is what it starts with: some clippers, some nail clippers and a wire clipper. I don't know why I'm going to use these 3 for, but I have a little waffle maker plate. It's a non-stick. I still don't know what I'm going to use it for. It's got 3 batteries as well, but yeah, it's gonna be use of something. I'm gonna use them as a knee guard. I'm gonna fold them and use as my knee guard. You never know, man. To walk around the debris. I have a knife, a strong knife. I have I don't know what it is. Seems like a weapon to me. And this is also like a cutter. These are 2 meds for relief, pain relief, if something has gone wrong with the muscles or bones, any small injury. It's I'm gonna use this motor for something which I don't know. Fevi-stick, I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but it's still there. I have got anchor bolts. I still don't know what I'm gonna use these anchor bolts for. See, a lot of these things are of things which we just don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but they are still for protection. This is the most elite thing which I can buy and keep it in my bag. It's a multi-purpose knife and utility set with a little hammer and a chisel, and it's quite handy. A steel water bottle. Yeah, you need the water. Some cream, some eye drops because eyes will be fucked in the debris. A bandage, there are a lot of bandages. Some meds, some multivitamins, and there is one thing called as what's it called? Puffer. A puff, the thing which we use for asthma stuff. So we need this because we won't be able to breathe, and just to breathe we should be able to have this inhaler. Yeah, that's what we call it, as an inhaler. A sandpaper as well. We just don't know what I'm gonna sand things with. Maybe sharpen these knives if they get blunt. Leather belt, some Digene for stomach, duct tapes, water sprayer. It sprays water into the eyes because eyes will be messed up. So yeah, this is my kit, and there's gonna be more things in this bag, and this will be a fan as well and an inhaler just to have nice cool breathe. Some ropes and keychains and a little whistle. Whistle is a good thing which I kept. I mean, everybody should have a little thing for them. And oh, I forgot about this. These are a bag of there are a lot of things inside it actually, not just masks. Oh yeah, it's actually a big bag of masks which would be needed to breathe. See, in an earthquake there will be debris, and Pretty much that's it. And if there could be anything else which one could have is one big giant helmet and maybe knee pads and something gloves. See, this is just not even level 1. This is something which I just imagined, and there could be more. There could be more. Yeah, man. I mean, if you can think of something more to be kept inside this, we can. See, earthquake is a fucked up thing. Tsunami is a fucked up thing. We can have food as well. And the fault is that we just couldn't do nothing about it. We just have to sit and hope that everything is going to be okay and hope that nobody gets drowned. But the fact is, the whole building is going to go down. What's it going to do if you're going to duck inside the table? You cannot take the stairs because stairs are going to go down. That's the first thing which goes down. And you cannot just run outside because you may be at a very top of a building and the whole building shakes. I have been in earthquakes and it's the most scariest thing, man. My heart palpitates whenever there's an earthquake. So just prepare a bag which has basic necessities, some medicines, some bandages, something to cover your and clean your eyes and nose, a helmet as well. Yeah, if you have a helmet, your head is going to get protected. If you sense an earthquake is coming, just wear a helmet, man. Your head is going to protect your entire body. That's it, man. If there is anything else which one should keep during an earthquake, apart from the usual things, do let me know in the comments. Take care.